Hey shoppers, today I have lightweight metal hooks. Okay, it does come with an instruction guide with pictures, but these are the coolest things. Okay, so you can use, they're portable, they're lightweight, they're easy to install. Good for a dorm room, a guest room, a kid's bathroom, Airbnb, or even like your main bathroom. You can even install it like in a kitchen, on a mirror, just a flat surface, like a glass surface, or like a shower. Easy to install. So you just unscrew this completely. You peel this off. It's a really sticky surface. Then you apply it and then you fully screw it in to get the suction. These are black. It does come with 4 in a pack. Let's go try them out. Super easy to install. First, you want to clean and dry the surface. Remove the protective film. Then you want to fully unscrew the knob from the suction cup by turning it counterclockwise. Then you want to position the rubber base on the wall and push to release the air. Keep the pressure, then tighten the knob and turn it clockwise until it's tight. You want to wait 24 hours before you use it. These are heavy duty, as you can see, super easy to install. They're reusable suction cup hooks. No drill required. You can put them on glass, bathroom mirror, tile, metal, or just any smooth, non-porous surface. Good for towels, robes, loofahs, and they are rust resistant and can hold up to 11 pounds. Great for a variety of uses. This is the black, but they do come in a variety of different colors. Great for the bathroom or office or home or utility room.